Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into CARVANA app review. So to get started with a quick overview, the CARVANA app is fully online car buying and selling platform that lets users browse used vehicles, apply for financial and have a car delivered to their door, all without stepping foot into a dealership. It's available on both Android and iOS and offer a features like 360-degree vehicle views, a 7 days return policy, trade-in options, and a signature with car vending mention, picking up experience for those who want a dealership-free process and they prefer everything dealt online. CARVANA is one of the most convenient options available. Revealing the strength of the app include a large inventory of used vehicle, has easy to use interface with transparent pricing, and a seamless process of financial and delivery. The ability to handle trades-ins and paperwork through the app adds to it all in one convenience. Users also appreciate the 7-day return policy, which acts as a virtual test drive. On the other side, some users report customer service issues, especially related to delay in registration or a tinkling paperwork. Finances is limited to purchases within the CARVANA platform. While the pricing is upfront, it may be slightly higher than buying from a private seller or a local dealership. Additionally, delivery availability and vending machine pickup location may vary by region. And here's the bottom line. The CARVANA is the best for buyers who value convenience, transparency, and want to skip traditional dealership, while not ideal for bargain hunters or those needing hand-on customer service. It's a solid option for hassle-free car shipping and shopping entirely from your phone.